Citizen Restoration Part 3 of 3. The ultrasonic had done most of the hard work, but my handy toothpicks make light work of the rest. The bracelet and watch case needed a good polishing, and same for the case back, plus an added brushing. This was done using the green scourer from a sponge. I found a small crack in the old crystal, so I replaced it for a brand new one, and after cleaning and refitting the chronograph buttons, all of the functions were working again. It's always a great feeling when the hard work pays off. Available to buy from my TikTok shop.